Ever feel like your money disappears before the end of the month? What if you had a smart assistant that tracks your spending, predicts your bills, and helps you save effortlessly? Welcome to the future of money management. AI-powered budgeting. Forget spreadsheets. Forget endless receipts. Artificial intelligence is now your personal finance manager, 24/7, real-time, and always learning how to make your money work for you. Managing finances can be overwhelming. Between rent, bills, food, and those unexpected expenses, staying on top of your budget feels impossible. And let's be honest, most budgeting apps just categorize transactions. But what if your budgeting app could think? This is where AI changes the game. By analyzing your spending habits, income streams, and financial goals, AI tools can provide smart recommendations that evolve with you. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck, saving for a trip, or crushing debt, AI can tailor your plan like a personal finance coach. Here are some of the best AI-powered apps that make budgeting almost fun. 1. Cleo. Cleo is your AI chatbot friend who tracks your spending, roasts your bad habits, and even gives budgeting challenges. It's finance with personality. 2. YNAB. You need a budget. With smart forecasting and AI-enhanced cash flow tracking, YNAB teaches you to give every dollar a job. It's like having a coach and a planner in your pocket. 3. PocketGuard. This app connects all your accounts and tells you how much you really have to spend. AI monitors subscriptions, alerts you on wasteful spending, and shows savings opportunities. 4. Monarch Money. Built with AI suggestions for couples and families, Monarch offers forecasting, investment tracking, and goal-oriented budgeting powered by your habits. 5. Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. Rocket Money uses AI to detect and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate bills, and optimize your financial health, all in one dashboard. People using these AI budgeting tools report saving hundreds, even thousands per year. They feel more in control, less stressed, and more confident about their financial future. Because when budgeting is automated and intelligent, saving becomes second nature. It's never been easier to get your finances under control. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a freelancer, AI budgeting tools can make a world of difference. So why not let technology do the heavy lifting? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ways to simplify life with AI. Your smarter financial future starts now.